making cookies. A lot of people hate on this cookie. I love this cookie. So I said, fuck it, I'm gonna do it. It's an oatmeal cookie, people. It's an oatmeal cookie. But I'm gonna add pecans, chocolate chips. Don't worry, it's not just gonna be basic old plain oatmeal cookie. Alright? But with a little Yorkshire stingo, as they say, aged in oak ale casks. So, like I said, I really like oatmeal cookies. It's not everyone's favorite. Every time someone's like, oh, fucking oatmeal cookies. And I think it's what the raisins is what kills people. Kind of just turns them off a little. They're like,
that's gross.
But that's why I let that shit out and put some chocolates and pecans stuff. Should be good. Ooh. Wow. Cheers.
Oh, death, oh, death, won't you spare me over for another year? I'll close your eyes so you can't see this very hour. Come and go with me. Death, I come to take the soul, leave the body and leave it cold. Oh, death, oh, death, won't you spare me over for another year? Oh, death, how you treated me. You close my eyes so I can't see. You hurt my body, you make it cold. You run the life right out of my soul. Oh, death, oh, death, won't you spare me over for another year? Preach, time and mercy's out of your reach. I'll fix your feet so you can't walk. I'll lock your jaw so you can't talk.
Like that as much as I do, because I loved it. But if you want a little bit, some seconds, maybe a little bit more dessert, check right here. We got it all. The old Jay's cooking, or some Bun Huggin. That's nice, huh? Hugging the buns. Oh, sorry. Or listen to some music right here, exclusive. It's nice stuff. Take a little gander. It's nice. See you soon.